And the race is on. Senor Bon slam shot. Icy Dragon. Chase Charlie from the outside. Amazing Damascus. Amazing success, brother. And on the outside is Apple Magic. Three runners fighting it out for the lead. Icy Dragon in between runners. Slam shot alongside is Senor Bon. Chase Charlie. Amazing success. Second last and Apple Magic. Rounding the far turn, Icy Dragon, Senor Bon. Then here comes Chase Charlie as they race the last 500. Senor Bon by Anek, Icy Dragon, Chase Charlie. Islam Shots is running in for amazing success as they race the last 200. Senor Bon by Alenkenhab. And down on the inside is Icy Dragon. Islam shot is on the outside, but second by a length and a half. And finally, Senor Bon second. Close. Islam shot, Icy Dragon. Then comes Chase Charlie. Amazing success and Apple Magic.